Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be turning a piece of southern yellow pine, also known as pitch pine, also known as nature's fire starter. So right now we are just marking out for a mortise, and now we are marking out for a foot. Alright, we've got the camera in position and the lathe turned on, and now we're going to start by making the mortise. And for that, the first tool we are going to use is the mid-size detailer from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to define where the mortise is going to go. And we're going to clear it all out using the #1 hollower. And we're going to flatten everything off using the mid-size rougher. And as you can see here, we're just going to undercut the foot a little bit so it sits flatly nice on the table or wherever else you want to put it. And back to the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And first of all, we are going to go a little bit deeper into that mortise. And now we've got the pro size #1 hollower, and we're going to do a bit of shaping of said platter. Just flattening off the bottom bit first, and then we're going to start going around the sides and match the bottom to the top and get a nice platter shape. Get the nice curve that we're after. There we go, going right up to the foot there. Onto the sides, getting them perfectly round. Pretty much there now. And there we go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound, all the odds were against me.
There we go.
So I picked up the pace, and now
Real nice colours in this bit of wood. Alright, some sanding sealer.
I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet.
Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste.
You should know. I'm about
Going to wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. And go, just buff it in, let it all break down in the paper towel.
should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me.
There you go, the last few wipes.
Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were
There you go. Alright, and some whack. Just going to wipe this all over. Get nice even coverage. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to get to doing some hollowing. So we're going to start with the Pro Size number 1 hollower. Is the number 1 hollower, the standard one. This is my favourite tool of the Easy Wood Tools range. Cleaning up the rim. And back to cleaning out the inside. Alright, let's get rid of that big old nubbin in the middle. Back to the Pro Size number 1 hollower.
Safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone.
There you go. Look at all them colours. Never ceases to amaze me, some bits of wood. Alright, on to sanding. So this is up to 240 grit again. There we go, bit of compressed air. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste, exactly the same as the underneath. You wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit.
Solid like a granite slab. Why do
And there you go.
complicated? Why do I lose all my control?
Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.